Okay, it's Freddy Sherman and I have another watch video for you guys. Everyone seemed to like my other watch video. I'll put a link up here. The other video was about the process of getting my Tag-Heuer Formula 1 watch serviced by Tag, sending it in, what they did, what it cost, etc., etc. Believe it or not, that was 2 years ago. Part of the overhaul includes changing the battery, but it seems the battery has died because the watch stopped working. So I thought I would take it upon myself to change the battery, and I wanted to make a video about the process. Pretty easy. First I went on Amazon and I got this kit over here. Which is a watch repair kit. The main thing that I needed from this was this, which is the back opening tool. It's like a wrench, and this, which is a watch holder. And then I got, and this kit was $10.99. I got it on Amazon. I'll put the link down below in the description. And then I got a second kit, which is this one, which was $7.50. And this kit is a little hammer and little poker, and this allows you to easily take out the pin, and that allows you to open up the band. You know, because normally it's like this. Using those tools, you can get the pin out. You put it in that, and then you can get the pin out. And I opened the back to see what kind of battery is in there. I believe that I got the correct battery. It took me a while to find this. I didn't order the battery online. I figured Walmart would have it, but I went to 2 different Walmarts and they've got a lot of batteries, but they did not have this one. And eventually I went to Walgreens and found it there. The process was rather simple. Of course, I watched a few videos on YouTube to figure it out. So the first step is we use this stuff to open up the watch band, and then the watch goes in this, which is a little kind of a little vise that holds it. Okay, so that holds it in place. Okay, so we've got the watch in the case here. Now to open it, you can see you've got these indentations around the back, and then this tool, you can adjust these to fit in there, and those fit in there, but we're actually gonna use a piece of plastic over that just so it's not metal against metal. So we'll put that on there, and then just gotta, okay, and then they go in there, and that turns the back. Again, just want to put that on there to protect the metal, and then we open it the rest of the way, and then we'll be fancy, and we'll use our tweezers to take the back off. We'll put that right there. Oops. Okay, and then here's the battery here. I'm going to zoom in. So this is exposed. Again, this is the Tag-Heuer Formula 1 watch. And then what we have here is we have just a metal cover over the battery that just sits. See that? It just sits right on top. It's not secured in any way. It does have little, you know, it only fits on it one way, and then there we have the battery. Okay, so then we have a replacement battery right here. We'll take this, okay, put the old battery right there. Okay, and then we have new battery. We'll put that in. I'll push it down. Okay. that. Okay. Put the cover back on. Okay. And that's it. I'm going to give it a quick little blow here with the duster. Okay. Now there is a rubber O-ring around here, and I will be taking that off and cleaning under it. And then I did buy, I'll show a picture, it's silicone grease, and what you do is you clean this out, and then as long as the O-ring is not stretched or damaged, you put that into the silicone grease and then you put it back in there. So I will be doing that, but the silicone grease hasn't arrived yet, FYI. Okay, so we've got the battery cover on there. Now we're going to very carefully put the back on. I'm trying not to move that thing that's on the battery, okay? And then I'm going to just gently okay. So I'm just using my fingers. You can get this sticky rubber ball that they use for watches to do what I just did, and it allows you to grip the back without damaging it. So I guess I need to get the ball. And now to tighten it the rest of the way, I'm going to use again the plastic just to cover it up. And again, I'm going to line that up. I'm going to do it tight, but not crazy tight. Okay. And that's it. So now let's see. I should have checked this. Big reveal here. Okay, and look. We're in business. See that? Okay, so it was a success. So the battery was $7.50, and again this other stuff was $19, including tax from Amazon, $27, something like that, under $30. And now I have the tools to fix the watch or to change the battery in the future as well. Okay, so we got this going. So now the last part is we need to put the band back. So we finished with that stuff. So now we're going to use this part again. Okay. So we have a little pin right here, if you can see that. And we have to get that into the ends of the pin. You can push in, they're spring loaded, so we need to get that into this second hole there, and that's where again we can we're going to put that, kind of get the bottom one caught. Okay, so did you see that? See how it popped in? So what I did was I caught the pin on the bottom hole, and then it was in the bottom one, and then you push the top down to get it into this, and then if you just move it into position, then it pops up in the hole and you are good. So just making sure that I see the pin on both sides. Yeah, okay. And that's it. And then we can put the watch on and good to go. Okay. So watch battery change under $30, and now I have all these tools for future use. That's it. Thanks for watching.